Cat School Part 3, Season 5. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm pretty sure we have 458, maybe. 457? I don't know. Let's just start. Guys, is it just me? Or do we not smell the dumb cat? Yeah, it smells weird. I don't think Mushy is here. He's not here. Well, that's amazing. Anyways, go to recess. Wait, guys! What? Where's our costumes? I have no idea. Oh. Who cares about our costumes? Wait, Miss Star, where is your costumes? They're stored in my butt. What the heck? Ow! What was that? Bro, you can go to recess. La la la. Is that Maxwell's lab? Oh my gosh. I'm kind of messed with some potions, and I became invisible. Wait a second. It's Halloween. So what if I prank them and haunt the school? That's such a good idea. Okay, so what do? Go to school, right? Okay, I'm right there. Let's go. Wait. Ow. I'm gonna do this. Ow! What hit me? Ow! Ow! What's hitting me? Mrs. Star, was that you? No, it was not. I don't know what it was. Maybe some weird thing. See, this place isn't haunted, right? Can't be. Wait! Guys, wait for me! Ow! Are you kidding me? What? No. Okay. Whee! Ow. Okay, time to drill Mrs. Star. Ow! What was that? Ow! 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 What's hitting me? Ow! Ow! What in the world is hitting me? What's hitting you? Ah! Ah! Help me! Is this place haunted? They think it's haunted. Trying to go troll my other friends. That was very weird. Whatever, at least it happened to you and not me. What about now? Ow! What is happening? Why did I get it too? Ow! 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 I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. And Bitches! Are you kidding me? What is happening? And Ow! And for Star not wanting to meet my girlfriend. Ow! What was that? Ah! Stop! Ah! You will pay. Ow! What is this? Guys, right now. I can see you and you look terrible. What do you mean, terrible? Ow! 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 What is hitting us? Ah! This is very weird. Time to mess with some stuff. Like, let me calculate this basketball. How did the basketball get there? Should I move the swings? You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna move the swings. And I'm gonna do this. Why is there a swing floating in the sky? What is happening? Okay. This is not gonna be castle anymore. This is gonna be there we go. It's Lat School. I can also change this to a U. Skule. Skule. Sukul. Sewell. Sewell. It's Uac. I don't even care anymore. There we go. Alright. Why do I feel like there's something up? What in the world is this? Why is my... Oh my... What is happening and why does that say... How would you even say that? Uat. Uhul. Uat. Suhul. Uat. Usuhul. I have no idea, but what is happening to the trees? Last but not least, delete. Delete. Alright, I'm done here. What else do I do? Ow! How did I get hit? Wait, why do I feel something weird? Uh-oh, it might get off. Probably just my imagination. Whew, that was a close one. Can we play soccer? Yeah. Yeah, let's play soccer. Get these big cats out of the way! Don't call me big! And Peaches is dead. Are you kidding me? How did he die? Star, get out. You're blocking it. Star, you're blocking it! You're blocking him from playing soccer! You're blocking that goal! Get out! Peaches is fine. He's just chilling out. He's dead. Oh yeah. Anyways, this side is just gonna be the other team. We barely have any members. Bro, this is unfair. Who cares? I'm on your team and I'm goated. Oh yeah, I forgot. How did you forget? Whatever. Who wants the ball? Me! Alright, everybody. flying. Oh, we lost a team. Great, 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 great. How much is there of us? I don't know. Ow! What was that? I'm just gonna hang out here. Let's just retry that again. I don't think that counted as a goal. Huh! Guys, block it for real! Okay, that was just terrible. That was terrible. No! No! Guys, get the ball! No, you get the ball! No, you get the ball! Oh no! Maxwell! What? How? I control Maxwell's brain with my brain! This prank is going amazing. Maxwell, you said you were goated! I'm sorry! How? It's okay. No! I hit it. No, you did not. Ow! Ow! No! Get it! Ow! Oh. It's 1-1. Ow. Nectarine, join our team. What? Whiskers, what are you doing? Okay. Hi. Yeah. What was that, Maxwell? Ow. Now time to troll Maxwell. Oh. Oh no. Why do I feel like I feel a lot of pressure right now. Did the Eiffel Tower just grow here? Ew, a good view of the Eiffel Tower. What a beautiful view. I think it's the Eiffel Tower, it's Maxwell. Hiya! No! Nectarine, why did you switch teams? They told me to go. Oh, that's it! No! Get out! Get it out! No! It touched it. Are you kidding me? Yay! Why are you cheering? Oh, yeah. I thought I was on the other team. Bro. Well, it's 2-1. You kick it. No! I gotta block it! Yes! No! I almost blocked it! I mean, I did. Get it out! Yes! No! Block! No! Nectarine! It's 2-2. So sorry. Ow. Zeke, you're kicked out! Wait, what? But you're not getting any punishment. You are getting a punishment. Phew, if I can just getting kicked out with no punishment. What just happened to Zeke? Can we, push he's dead. Oh, he's falling my way. He's falling my way. I'm gonna die. He's falling my way. How am I gonna get through him? I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Get me out. Ow. Oh, there's like a little. Ah! Well, Zeke is dead. Are you kidding me? And wait, I don't think that's the Eiffel Tower. I think that's actually Maxwell. Bro! What's happening? Is this place haunted? I'm scared. Is it just me or did I hear a laugh? Like a scary laugh? Uh-oh, I think I did it too, I think I did it way too loud. It's probably my imagination. We want to tell Mrs. Star. What happened to this logo? That's what I'm saying. What is happening? I feel like this school is cursed. Maxwell is dead. Zeke is dead. Peaches is dead. This school is cursed. Can we leave, please? Let me check. There's no way. Maxwell. Zeke. Peaches. Oh my gosh. And ow! Maxwell! I mean, we can't go to the cursed playground. But what if we wanted to? Our thing is blocked. Blocked! You hear me? Oh, wait, no, it's not. Oh, then we're fine. Oh, we're not. We are not fine. We are not fine. Ow! Oh, sharp! Guys, I think this school is haunted. I think we should leave. I'm gonna follow them. Teleporting, Mrs. Star. What? Teleporting, Milky. Well, guys, we're gonna have a big discussion. This school is definitely haunted. Crazy stuff is happening. Yeah, this is too much. This is way too much. Way too much to handle for my brain. Okay. This prank is going amazing. Guys, I think we should leave this school. I kind of agree. Oh, they're actually leaving. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I think I might have to fart. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I can't hold it. Why do I feel like there's someone panicking behind me, even though there's nobody behind me? I can't hold it anymore. My prank is done. Oh, I think it's gonna come out. Guys, I feel like I heard a fart. Wait, you heard a fart? Fart! Fart! Yes. Who farted? I don't know. But I think I might know. Because this fart smells very familiar to Mushy's farts. Oh, I think I'm cooked. Ew, yeah, it does. Oh my gosh, it's so smelly. It's so smelly. I think Mushy is trolling us. I think I can feel Mosh right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mushy, get your cover out right now! Get it off! I knew it was Mosh! What? What? Mushy, have you been making this school cursed? Maybe? Was this all a prank? Maybe? Did you seriously kill Maxwell, Zeke, Peaches? And you also killed a lot of other stuff, like, what is this? Did you seriously just do that? Maybe? Moshi, that's it! Guys, gather up, everybody. Gather up, gather up. We're gathering up. What do you want? We're gonna chase Mosh! What? No, no, I can explain. No. What? We don't care about that! We're gonna chase you! Moshi, I'm not done! Ow! You're getting kicked out of the school! Wait, what? Ow! Get out, Mosh! No! Yes! No! And Mosh, never come back! I will! But no, Brown! That'll teach him not to do that ever again.